Hello children, welcome to Math Park. We start with class 10 ICSE solutions now. So we start with the first chapter 1, that is GST, Goods and Service Tax. And we are going to introduce this chapter. You are going to understand what are different types of taxes that come under GST. And we are going to solve some problems from exercise 1A. So this exercise will be solved in 2 parts, children. So after going through this video, if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Now, let us understand what is GST in India. So, GST is known as Goods and Service Tax, and it is an indirect tax which has replaced many indirect taxes in India. Earlier, we were having excise duty, then VAT service taxes, etc. The goods and service tax, this all. So, this GST has given a rate to so many different taxes. Okay, so the Goods and Service Tax Act was passed in the Parliament on 29th March 2017, and it came into effect on 1st July 2017. And GST is a single domestic indirect tax law for the entire country. Now, what all different components of GST we need to understand? So, types of GST, we have CGST, SGST, and IGST. So, what is CGST? It is central government. So, it is the tax collected by the central government on an intra-state sale. That is a transaction happening within the state. So, CGST is the tax collected by the central government on an intra-state sale within the state. That is within the Maharashtra, if I am purchasing something, then or selling something within the state, this is CGST. And the next is SGST, which is the tax collected by the state government. S stands for state government service taxes. And this tax is happening for the transaction within the state. Okay, when we are doing the transaction within the state. The next is IGST. So IGST, it is a tax collected by central government for an interstate sale. That is, for example, we do the transaction between Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, then the tax which is being collected is called IGST. Let's take some example. So let's say assume that a dealer in Maharashtra has sold the goods to the dealer in Punjab, which are worth 50,000. The tax rate is 18%, comprising only IGST, only IGST. In such a case, the dealer has to charge IGST of rupees 9,000, which was 18% of 50,000. That is 9,000. This is the charge. This revenue or this money goes to central government. Okay, this is about the IGST. When the dealer in Maharashtra sells some goods to the dealer in Punjab, the same dealer now sells the goods to the consumer in Maharashtra. So within the state, worth rupees 50,000. The GST rate on goods is 18%. Now this rate comprises CGST as 9% and SGST at 9%. So 50-50%. 9% goes to central government and 9% goes to state government. So the dealer has to collect total 9,000 as goods and service tax, which is 18% of 50,000. And then out of these 4,500, that is 9% will go to central government and rupees 4,500 will go to the Maharashtra government since the sale is within the state. I hope it is clear for you, like what are the different taxes that we are going to calculate now. What is CGST, what is SGST, and what is IGST. Let us start with the exercise for 1A. Now here in this question, for the following transaction within Delhi, fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. So MRP of certain article is rupees 12,000. The discount percent is given as 30%. GST is 18%. So we need to find discount. So how do I find the discount? So discount is 30% of 12,000, which is 30 by 100 into 12,000, which we get it as 12 times 3 is 36. So we get this as 3,600. So this is 3,600 is our discount. So here we write discount is rupees 3,600. Next, you are asked to find the selling price. So discounted value, it is the price which is MRP minus the discount, which is 12,000 minus 3,600. It is 8,400 is the selling price. So selling price is rupees 8,400. 400. Then what is CGST? So CGST is 9%. Total tax is 18%. So CGST is 9% of 8,400. So 9% is 9 by 100 into 8,400. So which is 84 times 9. 4 nines are 36. 3 carry. 9 8s are 72 plus 3 75. So it is rupees 756. And SGST is again same 9% of 8,400, which is rupees 756. So it is CGST is rupees 756 and SGST is rupees 756. Now IGST, since it is within Delhi, so there won't be any IGST. So IGST is going to be 0. So it is rupees 0 is IGST. Now the bill, amount of bill is selling price plus the taxes, CGST plus IGST. So which is 8,400 was the selling price plus the tax, which is 756 is the CGST and SGST is 756. On adding, we get this as rupees 9,000. Rupees 9,912 is the bill of this particular transaction. Got it? Question number 2, for the following transaction from Delhi to Jaipur. So now it is interstate, okay? So from one state to other, fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. MRP is rupees 50,000, discount is 20%, GST is 28%. Now let us find the discount. So discount is 20% of 50,000, which is 20 by 100 times 50,000. So which we get it as 5 2s are 10. And 1230. So 10,000 rupees, 10,000 is your discount. So your discount is rupees 10,000. Got it? 20% of 50,000. Then you are asked to find the selling price. That is the discounted value, which is the MRP minus discount. The MRP minus discount, which is 50,000 minus 10,000. Rupees 40,000. Rupees 40,000 is your selling price. That is the discounted value. Now, CGST is going to be 0 because it is from one state to other, which is wherein IGST. Again, SGST is also going to be 0. SGST is also going to be 0. And IGST is going to be 28% of 40,000. So let us do it. 28% is 28 by 100 times 40,000. So which is 28 fours. 8 fours are 32, 3 carry, 4 twos are 8 plus 3 is 11 and then 2 zeros. So it is 11,200 is the IGST. So IGST is rupees 11,200. The amount of bill is the selling price plus IGST. So which is 40,000 plus 11,200 and that is rupees 51,200. So the amount of bill for this transaction is rupees 51,200. Easy that. Question number 3. A computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing cost from 5 different persons A, B, C, D, E with certain discounts. The repairing cost and the corresponding discounts are given below. So from person A, the repairing cost is this, the discount is this. And from person B, 6,250, the discount is 40%. So different charges that he has put. If the rate of GST is 18%, find the total money including GST received by the mechanic. So let us create a table for this. So creating a table for this. So the person A, it is repairing cost is 55,000 and discount is 30%. Now selling price, just recollect the reverse percentages, okay, or increase and decrease percentages. If 30% is discount, what we need to calculate the selling price is going to be 70% of this. So 70% of 5,500. So 70% is 70 by 100 into 5500. So let us simplify. So 55 into 7, 55 times 7, 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry, 5 sevens are again 35 plus 3 is 38. And then this one 0. So 3,850. This is the rupees 3,850 is going to be the selling price. Is going to be the repairing cost for the person A after discount. Now for B again 40%. So 40, 100 minus 40 is 60. We just calculate 60% of 6,250. So simplify. So we have 625 into 6. 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, carry 1. 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. So it is 3,750 is the cost after the discount, the selling price. Then for the next person, it is 4,800, 30%. So 30% means 70% of 4,800. So 70 upon 100 times 4,800. So we get this as, come on, 48 into 7. Come on, do along with me. 8 7s are 56. 5 carry. 5 carry. 8 7 4s are 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. And this 0. So it is 3,360 is the selling price for customer C. And for D, it is 20%. So 100 minus 20, it is 80%. So let us solve it. So for D, it is 20% discount. So 80% of 7,200. So let us do it 72 times 8, which we get it as 5,760. So 5,760 is the charge. For the last one, 40. So 60%. So we need to find 3,500 into 60%. So which is 60 by 100. So let us simplify. So 35 times 6, you get this as 35 times 6, you get 210 and 10. So it is 2,100. Okay, let us add this all, the total for this. So the total is, let us add this, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 6, 22. 2 carry 8 plus 2, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 7, 27 plus 1, 28. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 2, 18. So this is the total amount that he receives, 18,820. So the rate of GST is 18%. Now, since this is within Delhi, so he'll have to pay CGST and also SGST. So CGST is going to be 18%, so it will be divided into two parts. So 9% of the total selling price. So 9% is 9 by 100 times 18,820. So let us simplify this, or simply multiply 0.9 by 1882. So 1882 multiplied by 0.9, you get this as 1,693.80. So this is your CGST. So SGST is also 9% of this amount. So which is going to be rupees, again, this is going to be rupees 1,693 and 80 paisa. So the bill, the money that including GST received by the mechanic. So total money that mechanic receives, money he receives is, you have to add all of these amounts. So which is the selling price, which was 18,820.00 plus 1,693.80. The rupees paisa, always two decimal places. Plus again 1,693.80. So add all of this. So you get 0, 8 plus 8, 16, carry 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2 is 20, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 6 is 22, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So it is rupees 22,207 and 60 paisa is the total money. Find the amount of bill for the following intra-state transaction of the goods services. The GST rate is 5%. So now it is intra-state. So, and the quantity and the number of items is given to you, and MRP on each item is given. So let us first find the total cost over here. So the total cost is going to be, let us insert the column here. So the total cost, since it is 18 items and each is costing 150. So 18 times 150, you get 2,700 rupees. 24 times 240, we get 5,760. 30 times 100 is 3,000. 12 times 120 is 1440. Now the discount percent is given to you 10%, 20%, 30%, and 20%. Now let us find the selling price. Now selling price discount is given as 10%. So the way we did now, so it is going to be for the first item, 10% discount. So 90, it is 2,700 into 90%. So 90 by 100. So this becomes 27 times 90. 7 9s are 63. 27 times 90. 7 9s are 63. So 3 carry 6. So this you get it as rupees 2,430 is the selling price for the first item. Now the next one, it is the total cost is 5,760. 20% is the discount. So 100 minus 20 is 80. So we'll do 5,760 into 80 by 100. So let us simplify. So 576 you multiply by 8. 576 you multiply by 8. You get 4,608 is the selling price. For the next, it is 3,000 and the discount is 30%. So 3,000 into 100 minus 30 is 70. So 70 by 100. So you get 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21 and these 2 zeros. So 2,100 is the selling price. And the next one, the last one, it is the discount is 20%. The total cost is 1,440. So 100 minus 20 is 80. So 1,440 into 80 by 100. So let us simplify. So 144 multiplied by 8. You get this as 1,152 is the selling price. 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4, plus 5, 9. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So 10,290 is the total selling price. Now we have found the total selling price. We need to find the CGST and SGST because it is intra-state. So since the tax is 5%, so 50% now, so that is 2.5%. So your CGST is going to be 2.5%. So which is 2.5 by 100 times 10,290. So which is going to be, you can do it as 1029 and divided by 10. So you can just do 1029 multiplied by 0.25. So 1029 multiplied by 0.25, you get 257. You get this as 257 rupees and 25 paise is your CGST. So SGST is also 2.5%, so which becomes 257 rupees and 25 paise again. And the amount of bill is selling price plus GST, which is 10,290 plus 257.25 plus 257.25, which we get it as 10,804 rupees and 50 paisa is the total bill. Got it? Question number 5. This is the last question of today's video. The next, the other questions we are going to do in the next part. Find the amount of bill for the following interstate transaction of goods services. The GST rate is 18%. So quantity, that is number of items, are 35. MRP on each item is rupees 420. For 47 items, each MRP is 600. And if the number of items are 20, the each costing 350. So let us find the total cost here now. So the total cost of the items we will be finding. So 35 times 420, the cost 14,700. The cost for 47 times 600 is 28,200. And the cost for the last item, where the number of items are 20, it is 350 times 20, which is 7,000. Now the discount is given. Let us find the selling price in rupees. Now selling price, since the discount is 10%, we are going to calculate 90%. So for 14,700 into 90%, that is 90 by 100. So this we get it as 147 multiplied by 90. We get this as 13,230. Okay. Now the discount here is 10%. So 10% discount. So again, we are going to do 28,200 multiplied by 90 by 100. So let us simplify this. So we get 2820 multiplying by 9. 2820 you multiply by 9, you get 25,000. This you get it as 25,380 is the cost. Now let us find for the last item, the last 20% discount. So 7,000 is the total cost, and 20% discount. So 100 minus 20 is 80. So 80 by 100. So let us simplify. So 7 8s are 56, and then these two zeros. So it is 5600. Okay, 5,600. Now let us find the total cost. 13,230 plus 25,380 plus 5,600. Let us add this. 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1. 2, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 3 is 14, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So the total cost is rupees 44,210. Now the GST rate is 18% and it is interstate transaction. So the GST is going to be IGST. So IGST is going to be 18%, that is 18 by 100 of the total selling price, which is 44,210. So instead of cutting this, just do 1.8 multiplied by 4421. So 1.8 you multiply by 4421, you get 7,000. You get this as 7,957.80 you have to put. So this is your IGST. Let us find the amount of bill. So amount of bill is selling price plus IGST. Selling price was 44,210. The IGST we have calculated is 7,957.80. On adding this, we get the total amount of bill as 52,167 and 80 paise. So children, we have done with 5 questions. Rest of the questions we will be solving in the another part. So if you like it and if it is useful, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.